Hi my friends, it's Sharon, and as you know, I'm all about helping you to calm the chaos by creating harmony from within in a hurry-up world with lots of humour and with heart. You know, I wanted to talk to you about where most of our problems lie. Lies right between our ears, in our mind, in our brains. You see, we have what Zig Ziglar calls stinking thinking. Well, what happens is that, what I call it, the itty bitty shitty committee comes into your mind. You know, you start going through your mind. What if I had said that? Why did she tell me that? How did that happen? And you start focusing on the negative over and over and over again. And that's why I created the 21-day NeuroMindSHIFT process. You see, it not only just changes the thinking, but it actually changes the brain so that you can be more positive, hopeful, confident, have clarity, and be able to make better decisions, problem solving, all of those things, so that your day is filled with hope and harmony and happiness rather than depression and sadness and anxiety. Yeah, 21 days doesn't just do it, but having small changes every day, small, positive, lasting changes over 21 days can start to make that shift. Now, the research is that it takes us about 9 months. How interesting is that? Just about the time that it takes to create a baby. And so that's the new birth. It takes about 9 months, but I'm going to tell you, everything starts with a first step. And so starting to listen to these Tuesday tips at 2 and implementing them in your life, and then perhaps looking into the 21-day NeuroMindSHIFT process that helps you day by day be more positive, be more uplifted, to help you to change from that stinking thinking, as Ziegler says, and back to the positive. And so my friends, please remember to do the APB to help shift that thought process from the stinking thinking to the positive thoughts. And until next time, all the best. And if you like this message, if you can share below to show you care, that would be awesome. Until next time, many blessings.